I will fight for you. I always do until my heart is black and blue.
Just over here. And here it is. Wow! Look at the size of this flower. You can see it consists of 5 petals that are bright orange and warty. This is meant to resemble carrion. And inside it's got hairs like a dead corpse of some animal. And this immense size and the smell. It smells a little bit like rotten fish. That smell, the colour, this attracts carrion flies and other pollinators. But the bloom itself lasts for only about 6 to 7 days, then it dies and rots. It's a parasite. It has no leaves. It consists of a fibre of tissues inside a vine called the tetrastigma vine. And once in a while, it blooms. There may well be other buds in development in this forest. So let's go look for them.
Hi, my name is Charles Wei, matric number 277335 from Group AJ.
Hello everyone, my name is Nur Azza binti Ahmed, matric number 279415 from Group AJ.
Today, we would like to introduce about the special species in East Malaysia, Rafflesia.
Rafflesia is a genus of parasitic flowering plants in the family Rafflesia. The genus contains approximately 28 species, all found in Southeast Asia, mainly in Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, and the Philippines.
The national flower in Malaysia is hibiscus, also known as bunga raya in Bahasa Melayu. But foreigners do not know about hibiscus. What they do not know is that the largest flower, which is Rafflesia. Some travelers come to Malaysia to see these flowers, which is only found in Sabah.
The Rafflesia, also known as crow's flower, is the largest flower in the world. It grows in the Malay Peninsula, Borneo, Sumatra, and other islands. It is a parasitic plant without roots and stem, and lives by absorbing nutrients from vines.
Its diameter can be as large as 1.4 meters. When it blooms, the plant smells stinky, emits a carrion like a dart. It is pollinated by attracting beetles.
One of the largest species of Rafflesia is Rafflesia arnoldii, which can reach a diameter of 3 meters.
In 1818, a scientific expedition led by naturalists Joseph Elnord and Thomas Stamford Bingley Raffles, the founder of British colony of Singapore, discovered this plant in Sumatra, Indonesia. The spotted blood red flowers weigh 7 kilograms, are typically more than 1 meter in diameter, and exude a stench like that of a rotting corpse. The flowers emit a curtain heat and disguise themselves as animal carcasses with residual heat, attracting flies and several species of vulture bees to spread pollen. The flower is named after the expedition captain, Sir Stamford Raffles.
Biologist David said the origin of Rafflesia dates to the Cretaceous period about 100 million years ago, at the end of the age of dinosaurs. Generally, it is believed that Rafflesia plants began to appear on Earth at that time. The researchers theorized that the Rafflesia's flower grew about 79 times in 46 million years before entering a slow evolutionary phase.
It takes about 9 months from bud to blooms, yet the flowering period is only a week, or even as short as 3 or 4 days. Therefore, it is difficult to get look and smell of the mysterious Rafflesia flower.
A deeper understanding of Rafflesia will help people develop and breed larger varieties of flowers and fruit.
Because of its rarity, it has been called the giant panda of the plant worlds. In order to protect these rare plants from extinction, the Malaysian government launched a campaign to involve local residents who used to make their living by picking Rafflesia in the role of eco-guides in the flower protection campaign.
Scientists are still in a very early stage of understanding these exotic plants. After hundreds of years of hard work by botanists from many countries, the Rafflesia finally blooms for the first time in 2004 in Ternong Agriculture Park, Malaysia.
Well, I woke up to the sound, the silence of cars. We're cutting like knives in a fist fight.
That's all from us. Thanks for watching
And I
and have
found
a
you
nice
with a
day.
bottle of wine and the curtains are like the 4th of July. Let's get it. If I woke up without you, I don't know what I would do. Thought I could be single forever till I met you. Usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of keeping me coming back to back. I just found out the only reason that you loving me was to get back at your ex-lover, but before you leave, usually I would never even care. Baby, I know you
The greatest threat to the Rafflesia is actually caused by the over-exploitation of forests by humans. The Rafflesia has lost its natural habitat and is unable to survive. The second threat is the trampling and illegal harvesting of the flower for medicinal purposes, which has led to a steady decline in the population in recent years.
That's why we must cherish and protect the Rafflesia to ensure that it does not become extinct in future.